Hey Garrison, families have gotten a few questions about how to access the practice tests for the state test that's coming up for our third and fourth graders. So if you head to this website up here, New Hampshire or nh.portal.arast.org, and you land on the statewide assessment system page. To take the practice test, you come over here and click on the practice and training tests. Then click this button that says the same. It's going to open a new window. And you're not going to do anything with this part of the screen. You're just going to click down here to sign in. It's going to bring up a question about what grade you would like to access. And it'll give you a choice if you wanted to try the English language arts or math practice test. Pick one of those. And then it's going to allow you to change some of the settings for the test if you so choose. You do not have to do anything with this. If you do nothing, you'll just get the test as is. You can choose to change color, audio, those sorts of things. So once you're all set with that, you click select. Make sure that you can hear the sound. Some of the questions do get read aloud.
This text is being read aloud.
Once that's all set, you hit continue. Say I heard the voice. And then continue and begin test now. And then it will load what the practice test looks like. And so within here, students can practice answering the questions, using the tools. Wherever there's a menu here, there are some options as well. Students and teachers have been practicing with these in school, so your students will likely be familiar with it a bit already. If you have any questions, please